Hey YouTube, how you doing? Today I'm making some LA bacon wrap hot dogs. Those are always good as hell. I usually eat two in LA, which is too much, but I really like it. I don't know what it is about today, right? But I'm feeling all of like 54, right? So I was gonna actually buy the bacon and wrap the hot dogs with the bacon, but I didn't do that, sorry. I bought them already pre-wrapped, and they're from a Mexican company called Supremas, right? And these are good as hell. As you see, I have all my onions, red bell pepper, green bell pepper, already chopped up. And I am an absolute condiment junkie. So I got tons of condiments over here. So, we're gonna start putting stuff in the pan. Use any type of oil that you specifically like, be it if it's olive oil or vegetable oil or whatever type of oil you like, use that. But I have vegetable oil already in here, and let's start loading the tray up with the goodness. Okay. So the dogs here. This is, let's see what we got. We're gonna crank these right on up now and get them going. And these suckers are just gonna get all funky toasty.
Turn that one up too. Yeah, especially that back one for the veggies.
Yes, ma'am.
That should be enough.
And just like you see, right, the bacon just came off of this one, right? If you bought the bacon and bought dogs, like, individual, it's that simple. You just wrap it. It's that simple. Put them down there. Go LA. I'm from LA. I love going to LA. And one of the things I love going is these LA bacon wrap street hot dogs. Now we're going to take our onion and start setting it. Get our onions on there because we want those to all get nice and sauteed and toasty.
It's a lot of onions.
It's okay. We got a big appetite, right?
Yeah, we do.
So we're gonna get all on there, all on there, nice and pretty. Where's the other chilies, sweet?
Oh, I put them away in the fridge.
Okay, let me grab those. Alrighty, it's cooking along. Put the chilies. Put those on there. These chilies right here, these chilies, they look like New Mexico chilies, or they look like Anaheim chilies, but they're not. These chilies are Mexican chilies from Guadalajara, right? And they're pretty good as far as smell. A little spicy.
That's enough chilies.
We're gonna let that do its thing. And we're gonna get a little, no, we're good. We're gonna grab, we're good to go. And just don't have your fire too high, right? Because you want to cook everything and not burn it, right? So that's your,
That should be good.
that's your nice Pepsi challenge right there. Okay, and just let that go ahead and cook, right? Turn some music on, have a drink. But it won't go all that long. This stuff's gonna be cooked. It's gonna be ready to eat. Very good. That's looking good, isn't it?
Looks great.
Oh my God. Like I said, right, we're trying to cook it, not burn it, right? So just step by step. Let everything keep doing what it's doing. Alrighty. And if you go down to LA, right? If you ever go to one of those LA food trucks, they're like all over now, right? But they were mainly down in the alley shopping area, right down in Los Angeles. When like ever you go up to one of their trucks, right? You see all their vegetables just like that laying out. But they keep their fire low so it doesn't overcook them too fast, right? You know, they don't become too slimy, right? Not too much heat. Give it some time. Let them cook, and you're gonna have a good bacon wrap hot dog.
Starting to smell great already. You can smell the bacon and the veggies.
Okay, also, right, what I want to do, okay, we got cooked onions, right, but I also like that raw onion taste. So I'm gonna step over here and I'm gonna grind a couple up real quick and get them ready. Right over to the Able Food Processor. Take this sucker. Of course, you gotta plug it in first, right? Okay. And pop it open. Take her top off. We're gonna put her top back on. I don't know what it is. I'm feeling awful old today. I don't know what it is. We're gonna get past it. Gonna pop our top back in, and we're going to. That's all we want to do. And plastic. And we're gonna take this right on off. We're gonna pop that right on out. I'm gonna come over here and we're gonna scoop it all down in there. Oh, and we love onions. Alrighty. That ready for it too. Then we're gonna come on back using wok, and we're gonna put it on there. So everything's coming along real good here. Yes. And then, okay, the way we cook this too, since it's slow, right, you know, all the vegetables get to sweat and mingle in with each other, right? So you're getting that real good flavor. Slap a little salt on there. So good.
Smells really good. You got it going on over there, young man.
Man, look here, we're not playing with them.
Got that nice steam coming up.
Smell that bacon frying?
I smell it.
Man, look here. We're gonna give them a flip, right?
I thought we was in Vegas. I don't know where the hell you got us at now.
We're in South Central LA at the Mexican food cart. Ready to eat. Okay. Now, I'm gonna take this. Just the hair in the front. We're gonna keep on doing the back the way we doing it. Hey, break it down. All right now. Ooh, look at all those vegetables sweating like a slave. Look at that.
Sweating like what?
A slave.
Ooh.
No, I didn't mean to go way back.
Well, you said you're feeling old today, but damn.
I get caught up sometimes. Oh, geez. You smell those vegetables?
I smell them. They
Well, you
smell
better stop
great.
playing with you better stop playing with me. Hey, one of my favorite old comedians, Mr. Witherspoon. If I'm ever going to bite on somebody else, I got to give him props. Mr. Witherspoon always said, don't ever let nobody know what's in your cup. Okay? Ooh, look at that stuff sweating.
I'm sure we all know that that's Craig's daddy off of Friday. If you don't know, that's what he was just talking about.
Big up to Mr. Witherspoon. Just cooking
Your
just
thing.
right.
You popping your collar.
Well, we
I
do
saw
that,
that.
now. Well, we do that, right? Okay. Everything's coming right along. Nobody's fighting.
That's looking really good, baby. That's looking delish. Well, you might got me in LA right about now. These shows
Yeah.
don't look like it.
I love LA. We love it.
LA.
All right, now let's give this a little more
Yeah,
juice.
the doggies.
Give the doggies a little more juice. The vegetables are doing what they do back in
Yeah.
the back.
They smell so good.
All those good jalapenos. We also have the jalapeno chili here representing the jalapeno chilies. These chilies here. And all, before you smell that. Get back, get back. You don't know me like that. There you go. Talk to me. This is real simple, guys, but it's
Real
real
simple.
good. You can have this ready by the time the kids get home from school, right? Have everything ready so you can go sit down, right?
Right,
Got a
yeah.
rough day,
Yep.
huh?
Yep. Uh-oh, there we go. Smell that bacon's in there. Getting it pop-locking,
They're starting to talk to me, right?
pop-locking.
We communicate. Let them dogs do what they do, Lord God. They're getting slim. Hey. We're good.
Fire's good.
We're looking good. Smelling good. Well, as soon as this is done, guys, we're going to come right back and I'm going to put it all together for you, right? But like this is something good for Saturday evening, Sunday if you want, right? But it's really good. We'll be right back at you and show you how to put everything together real smooth. Hey, YouTube. Vegetables are all laid down and sauteed and all making love to each other. Hot dogs are done, so I'm going to show you the next step. Here's our bun. Right here. Now these buns, right, the only one I could find, right, from where I went were these, right? They're not quite as large as I want, but I'm gonna tell you what to do with them. This microwave is 1200 watts, because I don't have a bun steamer, right? The microwave is 1200 watts. So you only wanna put this in there for like 4 seconds. You're gonna get you a nice, soft bun. I'm gonna throw this in here real quick. Perfect. Okay. Now, since I'm a condiment junkie, I love condiments. First thing I'm gonna do is take some mayonnaise and put it on mine. I just love condiments, period. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get us a nice lap in here because there's just gonna be a lot of stuff in this dog. Right, just go ahead and whip it out. Clean it up. You can see the mayo with all the different vegetables. Oh my God, I just love these things. We're just gonna just dress it out like that. And then we're going to turn around and we're going to grab a napkin and we're going to pull it. We're going to clean that off real quick. And we're going to come on up. We're going to sit this big old dog right in there, like so. Pop. Okay, then we're going to take all these yummy vegetables. Oh my God. Give it to me, baby. Uh-oh, we're dragging stuff all over the hooping place, aren't we? Okay. It's like, I got a better idea. I'm gonna put that there. We're gonna just drag it all out. We love the onions. We're gonna put all that in there like that. No more of this red. Right? And dress it like that. We're gonna put that together better than that. Then we're gonna come on over here. And we're gonna clean its nose. And we're gonna put it together the way it's supposed to look, right? Right to where they serve you downtown, where it's just downtown LA, where it's just all sorts of goodness on it. Quick hand wash. Then we're gonna come over here because we love mustard, right? Just gonna hit it a little bit like that. And then I'd like relish too, okay? So let's just drop a little bit just for a different trick with it, right? There you go. Okay. Now we're gonna give this thing a try.
And spread out your relish there a little bit.
Go ahead and spread her out. There you go.
Now you chopped up your raw onions. Would you like a couple of raw onions, or you think you onion out?
Glad. I'm never onion out. I
know.
love onions, and I love if it's a burger, I love it sloppy. If it's a hot dog, I love it sloppy. Period. Dripping, oozing everywhere. Whew.
How is it? Can't even talk. It's so damn good, Ken.
It's good as hell. I just need more mayonnaise because I like condiments. Okay, so it's really good. I'm gonna swipe this off. Put a little more mayonnaise on mine. What? Now where I'm gonna put it, I don't know, but I'm gonna put it on there. I just love it like that.
Give it one more bite.
One more big bite. That did it. Well, YouTube, thanks for dropping by. This hot dog's so good. Well, make sure you like and subscribe. Share it with a friend. And come back and visit us again. Thanks.